Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. That's Augustine as you can see in front, and now we are headed to Calcutta. Augustine, what route we are going to take? NH2. So we are going to take the NH2 from Rupnarayanpur to Calcutta to meet our friends who are waiting for us, and we are going to have a ball for New Year. Enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so far we've done 18 kilometers and I'm trying to reset the trip meter so I know exactly how much I'm going to ride today. Let's go. Eat something. Yeah, it's fine. And we've done 107 kilometers. Let's stop in front for a second. Let's just straighten up our legs a little bit and then we can decide. All right. My knees are gone to the dogs, Augustine. Okay, tell me one thing. I don't understand this logic. Now that I have ridden the bike for 107 kilometers, average speed like 70-80 for 100 kilometers. Why is my coolant level gone up? It's because it's in circulation or what? So 90 minutes, 107 kilometers. It's not bad, man. Okay. Alright guys, so we are at Shaktigarh, which is also very famous for a sweet called Lengcha. We arrived 5 minutes ago. We covered 132 kilometers in how many hours? 2 hours almost, right? Yes. 132 kilometers in 2 hours. So far the average is pretty good, but now we are slowing down. We have to slow down a bit because there's a lot of traffic as we are getting closer to Calcutta. The way I've tied my luggage is also holding up pretty fine. I've just used 2 bungee cords. I've gone crossover with one and then one just from the side. So I know it's not a pro level fastening, but it's doing the job. And I have my laptop in this bag and the GoPro mount here. Well, my mount broke actually, if you can see. My mount broke, but I don't know how, but it's still holding up. So probably I'll have to buy a new one in Calcutta.
You're driving faster pace than a Volvo bus.
Alright, so I just realized that we are way ahead of time because we are doing really good speeds.
What is that?
Now I won't recommend that everyone should drive fast, but if you're driving fast, make sure you have a cap to cover your nut, your big nut. Yeah. Alright, what do you want to have? You're gonna eat kachori and all fried in oil.
I don't know what he has.
Let's have a big cup of tea first, and then bread omelette. That will be better. Something with which is freshly made, you know, and not fried in deep oil. All right, so let's see. We might have a cup of tea, and then we might have bread and egg. Anything that's fried might upset our stomach. I'm not sure, but we don't want to take any chances. All right, here's our tea. That's Augustine's cup. This is my cup. Oh, my hands are burning. Oh jeez. Oh, bloody hell. My fingers are burning. Alright, let's taste how it is. Nice. It's not sweet like the usual dhaba tea, which is usually loaded with a lot of sugar, and you're having honey syrup. Yeah, take a sip of your tea and tell me how it is. Take a sip of your tea. How's it?
It's good.
Not like sugar, right? Not sugary.
It's not too sugary, it's not too flat, but it's good.
Alright, cheers. Let us have some tea, and then when we are eating, I'll show you what we are going to eat. Well, he's already preparing it over here. Let me give you a quick look at what he's making over here. See. So that's the egg, and then the bread goes on top of the egg. As you see over here, there you go. So we are opting for this rather than opting for something deep fried, because this is plain and simple. It also has a little bit of protein in it, so let's talk. Well, halfway there. Well, more than halfway there. At least 70% of the journey completed. Let's see how the next half goes. Let's go. All right, let's hop on our bikes and move. Just about to enter Calcutta, and I can see the Vidyasagar Setu in front of me. Straight ahead, guys, if you all can see it, good. Or else, in a couple of seconds, we'll be on it. From where? Okay, see the right and indicator. Put the indicator on. You put Tollygunge in the map, right? You put Tollygunge in the map, right?
I didn't put yet.
Put it. Move to the side and put it. I can trust you with the directions, no man. You won't take me to Alipur Zoo, right? Yeah, Bugger, listen. Put your indicators on, alright? What crap luck, man. We were standing over here and it was green. Let's go a little more in front. Man, I lived here for 4 years and I know bugger all about the roads. Means I know the places, but if you tell me to take the bike and go back myself, I won't know. But if you tell me that is it familiar? Yes, it's familiar. See that signal right there? Is there to test our patience, because you see it's 0-0. But it's saying we are going to test your patience today. We have to take any more rights and lefts. One more. Stay close to me, alright? Anyway, wherever you go, I'll go. So finally we reached Calcutta and we were greeted by our friend Jigar. And we were greeted by Augustine too. Okay, so we rode for about 4 hours, 4 to 4.5 hours. We had an average speed of 62 and we covered a total of 237 kilometers from our start point. So it was not bad, but yes, it was tiring because of the roads. The roads were not that great. Towards the beginning, the roads were really amazing, but towards the end, the roads were terrible and there was a lot of traffic. So now currently we're waiting for 2 more hooligans who are coming from Bhawanipur, Ronak and Neeraj. So we actually come to have a get together. Let's see how we get, what kind of response we get from them. चार घंटा गाड़ी चलाते आ रहा है। हटा पीछे अभी यहाँ सामने लगा देगा वहाँ पे आगे अबे तेरे को बाल ऐसे करना चाहिए, सुंदर बनेगा। इसको थोड़ा आगे करके चार बोल नहीं पा रहा, बाहर खड़ा है। कौन सा क्या चीज टिकट पकड़, अच्छा तू पकड़, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो। गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को, हंसिए ना।
सुभाष गया अभी, मैडम को करवाना है शॉपिंग। आज नहा लेंगे तो बहुत देखा, नहा लिया तो हल्का लग रहा है।